If you want to unpin lists on x.com or Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a simple way to keep your sidebar organized and remove any lists you no longer want pinned for fast access. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, look at the left-hand navigation bar and click on More. This will open up additional menu options inside x.com or Twitter. From there, click on Lists. This will take you to your list page, where you can see the lists you've created or follow. Next, find the list you want to unpin. On each list, you'll see a pin icon. To unpin that list, simply click the pin icon once. As soon as you do that, the list will be removed from your pinned section. You can repeat the same step for any other lists you want to unpin. It only takes a moment, and once you know where to find the option, it's very easy to manage your lists the way you want. So that's how to unpin lists in x.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide.